Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Wayfarer Vans camping van is an exceptional example of modern adventure mobility, combining versatility, comfort, and smart design to create a home on wheels that's ready for any journey. From the outside, the Wayfarer Vans 2026 model projects a sense of capability and style with a sleek aerodynamic body that's engineered for efficiency and stability on highways, dirt roads, or winding trails. The compact yet robust profile allows it to navigate tight city streets and remote back roads alike, while the exterior features such as roof vents, optional solar panels, rugged tires, and modular roof racks underscore its adventure-ready credentials. Large panoramic windows provide natural light to the cabin and allow passengers to enjoy scenic views, while well-designed entry points, including sliding side doors and wide rear doors, make loading gear or accessing the interior simple and practical. The subtle design cues like flush handles and smooth body lines not only enhance the van's appearance, but also improve aerodynamics and overall efficiency, making long trips more enjoyable and economical. Stepping into the 2026 Wayfarer Vans interior, you immediately notice the attention to detail, practicality, and comfort that make this vehicle more than just a mode of transport. It's a mobile living space designed for modern travelers. The driver and passenger seats are ergonomic and supportive, perfect for long hours on the road, and often swivel to face the interior, transforming the cab into an extension of the living area. The dashboard is intuitive, featuring digital displays that provide essential vehicle information and infotainment controls, keeping everything accessible and user-friendly. Integrated navigation, wireless smartphone connectivity, and USB charging points ensure that you remain connected while on the road, and advanced driver assistance features like rear-view cameras and parking sensors make maneuvering this compact home both safe and convenient. The kitchenette in the 2026 Wayfarer Vans is compact but highly functional, enabling travelers to prepare meals with ease. Typically equipped with a sink connected to a fresh water system, a compact stove or cooktop, and a small refrigerator or cooler, the kitchen supports cooking off-grid or at campsites. Fold-out countertops and strategically placed cabinets provide additional prep space and storage, making cooking inside the van simple and convenient. LED lighting throughout ensures that meal prep is bright and efficient, and ventilation systems keep the air fresh and comfortable while cooking. Many models include space for kitchen essentials, from pots and pans to utensils and pantry items, designed to maximize functionality without overwhelming the interior. The Wayfarer Vans 2026 excels in comfort and self-sufficiency with its advanced climate control, insulation, and off-grid capabilities. Roof vents and fans enhance airflow, while auxiliary battery systems and optional solar panels provide energy for lights, fans, and appliances without relying on campsite hookups. Efficient heating options ensure warmth during cold nights, while insulation reduces heat transfer in warmer climates, making the van livable year-round. This self-contained approach allows adventurers to explore remote locations without sacrificing convenience or comfort. The living space of the Wayfarer Vans 2026 is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and utility, combining dining, seating, and sleeping arrangements in a compact footprint. The modular seating can be transformed into a comfortable bed at night, often featuring high-density or memory foam mattresses to ensure a restful sleep. The layout is flexible, with foldable tables and adjustable benches providing space for meals, work, or relaxation during the day. Panoramic windows with privacy shades allow passengers to enjoy natural light while maintaining discretion when needed, and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin keep personal items organized and easily accessible. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments and hidden cubbies ensure that everything from outdoor gear to kitchen supplies has a home, keeping the space uncluttered even on extended trips. Safety and convenience are also a priority in the 2026 Wayfarer Vans. The compact dimensions